Okay, ready? Count to 3 and go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
All right, now jump. Yahoo!
That one more time.
Yes, I do want to see that one more time, please. Make sure you do a big count. Do a big count, honey, and jump. I'm ready. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Whoa!
Want to see that one more time, Mom?
Yeah. Come on, go. No more eating the snow, silly.
I'm going to smash you down.
You're actually done? Playing in the snow? Look at Mommy. Say hi. Get your head out of the snow. Look over at Mommy. Wave to me. Now go jump again. I'm going to stand here and watch you good.
Hello.
You sitting on a big pile of snow?
Actually, I need to put more snow on.
Good building.
We're making a snowman, Mom. So you get out of the yard, and then you guys get back into it here, and then here, Mom.
Oh, baby, are you going to jump again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ready, set, go. That wasn't a jump. You kind of fell.
It's a jump.
Okay.
Want to take it all?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That was good. Where are you?